Alright guys, let's talk about maximizing the effectiveness of Viagra. This little blue pill can be a game changer, but only if you use it correctly. So let's dive into some tips and tricks to ensure you get the best results possible. Think of Viagra like pizza. It's good on its own, but with the right toppings, it can be amazing. Just like how the right combination of ingredients can elevate a pizza, the right approach can make Viagra work wonders for you. So how do you up-level your experience with the little blue pill? Here's a quick rundown. We'll cover everything from timing to lifestyle choices that can make a big difference. First off, timing is everything. You can't just pop the pill and expect instant results. To get the best results, take Viagra 30 to 60 minutes before sex. This gives the medication enough time to be absorbed into your bloodstream and start working its magic. It needs time to work its magic and increase blood flow to your penis. This increased blood flow is what helps you achieve and maintain an erection. Don't take it more than 3 or 4 hours before. Otherwise, it might not be effective when you need it. Timing is crucial, so plan accordingly. Next, let's talk food. Avoid heavy, high-fat meals before taking Viagra. Foods like burgers, fries, and other greasy options can interfere with the medication. Fat can slow down the absorption of the medication, making it less effective. This means it might take longer for you to feel the effects, or the effects might not be as strong. So if you're planning a romantic dinner, skip the greasy burger and fries. Opt for something lighter. A salad, grilled chicken, or fish are good choices that won't interfere with the medication. Another important point, Viagra might not work the first time, and that's okay. Don't panic. It's not uncommon for the first experience to be less than perfect. It's common to experience less than perfect results initially. This could be due to a variety of factors, including anxiety or the wrong dosage. This could be due to anxiety, the wrong dosage, or even other underlying conditions. If you're concerned, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider. If it doesn't work right away, talk to your healthcare provider about adjusting your dosage. Sometimes a slight change in dosage can make a big difference. And remember, erections aren't just about the pill. Your mental state plays a huge role in how effective Viagra will be. Your mental state plays a huge role. Feeling relaxed and comfortable can significantly enhance the effectiveness of the medication. Feeling anxious or stressed can interfere with Viagra's effectiveness. Stress and anxiety can make it difficult to achieve an erection, even with the help of medication. So, try to relax and focus on the moment. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even a warm bath can help you relax and get in the right mindset. Also, be aware of drug interactions. Certain medications can affect how Viagra works, so it's important to know what you're taking. Certain medications can affect how Viagra works. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're taking other prescriptions. They can help you understand any potential interactions. Always consult your doctor, especially if you're taking other prescriptions. They can help you understand any potential interactions and adjust your medications if necessary. Finally, a healthy lifestyle can enhance Viagra's performance. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and cutting down on alcohol and smoking can all contribute to better results. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and cutting down on alcohol and smoking can all contribute to better results. A healthy body supports better blood flow, which is crucial for erections. So, there you have it. For the best Viagra experience, remember these key points. For the best Viagra experience, remember, take it 30 to 60 minutes before sex, avoid heavy meals, don't stress if it doesn't work instantly, be mindful of drug interactions, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Take it 30 to 60 minutes before sex, avoid heavy meals, don't stress if it doesn't work instantly, be mindful of drug interactions, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. These tips can help you achieve more reliable erections and a better overall experience. With these tips, you're on your way to more reliable erections and better sex. Remember, it's not just about the pill, it's about the whole approach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on men's health. Catch you later, guys. Stay healthy and happy.